Hello everyone, welcome to day 3 of CSAT 50-day challenge. So the topic that we are going to discuss today is problems on addition and multiplication of numbers. Now see, this is a very important theme as far as the UPSC CSAT paper is concerned. Every year 3 to 4 questions you will find only from this topic. So the idea is that this topic is all about the concept of face value and place value that we have discussed in the day 2 of CSAT 50-day challenge. Today, we are going to understand how we have to approach such questions whenever it comes before you, right? Since right approach matters more compared to concept as far as solving these questions are concerned, right? So we will first briefly have a look at the concept, then we will go and solve a question on this concept to give you a better clarity on how you have to approach. So the concept for that is, as far as this topic is concerned, is that you have to simplify the numbers given to you. Simplify the number that is given to you. For example, you have been given a 3-digit number ABC. So how you are going to simplify it? So you have to write this as 100A plus 10B plus C. Can you write this ABC in this form? Definitely. The reason being C is at the unit place, so C will be multiplied by 1. B is at the tens place, it will be multiplied by 10. A is at the 100 place, it will be multiplied by 100, and this is the number you will get. Similarly, 4-digit number will be there like A, B, C, D. Then we can write this as 1000 A plus 100 B plus 10 C plus D. We can write A, B, C, D in this form. I don't think you will have any doubt. If you have understood the concept of face value and place value, you will not have any objection whatever I am telling you, right? So this is how we can represent these numbers. Now now we will have a look at the types of questions that are asked by UPSC from this concept. So they will give you, like, this kind of summation or multiplication, and they will ask you to find the value of the constants, right? So for example, they will give you some missing numbers like P, Q, R, right? And you have to do some sort of reasoning to find out the right answer. So how we have to approach such questions? So the first thing that you have to do is to simplify the equation. So this equation, we can write this as 5 into 100 plus 10 into P plus 7. This is the basic simplification I have done for this number. Similarly, you have to do for this number too. So we can write this as 8 into 100 plus 10 into Q plus 9. Similarly, for this number you have to do 100 into R plus 32. Right? You can write this at 30 plus 2, but that will not make any sense since we have to anyway add these numbers. Equal to 1928. Now simplify this equation. So what we are going to get? So we will have 10P plus 507 plus 800 plus 10Q plus 100R plus 41 equal to 1928. Now what we have? 10P plus 10Q plus 100R equal to 1928 minus 800 minus 548, right? So we will have 1928 minus 1348. So what is the final number we are getting here? 0, 8 and 5. So 580 will be the right hand side of this equation. So now again simplify this thing. What can be the further simplification for this equation? So we can write this as in common in the LHS side. P plus Q plus NR equal to 580. So we can write this as P plus Q plus NR equal to 58. Okay, this much we can do. Now we have to find out the possibility. In the question, you have been asked to find the maximum value of Q. Now with all sort of trial and error, you have to find out what can be the maximum value of Q. So what can be that value? So let us do some sort of reasoning here. So how we have to do the trial and error? Now you have to understand that be it P or Q or R, all are single digit number. And this is a basic logic that you need to understand here. Only you will add a 3-digit number, a 3-digit number, then you can have a 4-digit number. Right? Here, neither P nor Q nor R can be a 2-digit number. Right? So we will try by taking some random numbers. Like you can take R equal to 1. So what you are going to get? P plus Q will be 48. Now this is not a possibility, since here P and Q, either of them had to be a 2-digit number. So that is a impossible or not possible situation. So we will reject this. Similarly, you can try with R equal to 2. What we will get? P plus Q equal to 38. Again, not a possibility. So similarly, you have to do this kind of iteration. So when you will do this exercise, then we can see that when R will be equal to 4, then P plus Q we can get is 58 minus 40, that is 18. So here when we talk about the maximum value, the value of Q in this situation can be 9 and P also as 9. This is one possibility. Now let us take the value of R equal to 5. So what you will have? P plus Q equal to 8. The maximum value Q can have in this equation will be 8, right? And when we'll go towards the when you will start putting the higher value of R, you will start getting the negative value of P plus Q. Since when R will be equal to 6, then P plus Q will be equal to minus 2. This is again not a possibility. So only two possibility we have. R equal to 4. In this case, we have both P and Q as 9, right? When R equal to 5, we can have Q equal to 8. But when it is asking you what can be the maximum possible value of Q, so definitely we will go with the maximum value. So in this case, the maximum value will be 9. I hope this is clear to you. So this is how you have to approach such questions. These questions are going to be the lengthy. You have to accept it. And you have to approach such questions that way only. There is no shortcuts. You have to simplify the equation. You have to solve the equations, right? And you have to do this, perform this trial and error to get the right answer. There is no other way out. There might be some sort of shortcut tricks. You can start putting up the value and can check that. But this is something that is not suggested. You may end up doing such questions wrong also. So better go with the formal method that is tried and tested. So based on this concept, you will be given 3 questions to solve, right? And the questions will be on the difficult side, right? So what UPSC is asking, we are going to provide you that kind of question. So I wish you or wish all of you all the ways to solve such questions. If you want extra question to solve on this theme, get yourself registered and get the worksheet. If you want more guidance about CSAT preparation or CSAT 50-day challenge, then you can reach out to our you can reach out to these numbers. Our counselors will guide you, right? If you want more content related to UPSC CSE preparation, you can join our YouTube channel where you will get all kind of content. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.